Swaminarayan. Now we are revising the chapter data handling once again, right? So we are up to tally marks. Okay, we see the example of shoes number of shoes. Okay, now next thing we are studying about the pictograph. So the number itself tell us about the name pictograph. Picto means it is the division of two letters, picto and graph. Okay, the graph in which the information represented with the help of picture. Get it? So see here, by mere observation you can see here the number of books are represented by the picture. Okay, now here one book represent one picture of book, but not every time. Okay, it depends upon, most of the time it increases, so one book may be represented as 100 books or 10 books, right? Now from this pictograph you have to give the answers here. Suppose we have to give the answer of this example. So first of all we study about this pictograph. Okay, so see here how many books are there in the first row, 1 2 3 and 4. How many books are there in second row, 1 2 3 4 5. In third row, 1 2. In fourth row, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 books are there. In fifth row, 1 2 and 3. 3 books are there. Okay, so this is the information we get here, and here there are not asked question, but most of the time pictograph is given and question answer we have to give. Let's see the next pictograph. So see here, this is the pictograph given and the question answers are here also. So let's study this pictograph. These are the number of absent students. The one face represent one absentee. Okay, so see here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 6 days are there, as Sunday is a holiday, right? Na? So just calculate how many students are absent. On Monday, 1 2 3 4 and 5 students are absent, as one face represent one absence, right? So see here, Monday 5 students are absent. On Tuesday 4 students are absent. On Wednesday 2 students are absent. On Thursday no one is absent. On Friday 1 student is absent. On Saturday 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 students are absent. Get it? Now let's answer the questions. On which day were the maximum number of students absent? So by observation, can you tell me? Yes, it is the Saturday. Which day has full attendance? Full attendance means no absent. So which is that day? It is the Thursday. What was the total of, number of absent in that week? So we have to add this number. So let's add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Get it? Next. So by calculating, okay, fine. So because we have to study this pictograph, because this represent different number of different means one picture represent different number of persons, right? So let's study about one of these. Okay, the color of trees referred by people living in the location shown by this picture: blue, green, red and white. Okay, so this one picture of person represent 10 people. Suppose I have to calculate blue. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So how many students like blue color? Not 5. 5 into 10, because one picture represent 10 people. 5 into 10, 15. Next, green. 1 2 3. 3 into 10, 30. Now red. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 into 10, 50. And this half one. Half means 10 half 5. 50 plus 5, 55. Now white. 1 2, that is 20. Understand? In a such way you have to solve the pictogram. Now next. Okay, we have studied this one. Let's give me 1 minute. Oh, this is not one. Okay, now we will study about this 9.1. Fine. So uh, fine. So I will just orally explain it. Okay. In mathematics test, the following marks were obtained. 40 students arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. I think I have shown this in videos. Okay. Just orally I will explain. We have to calculate lowest one. So which is the lowest one? 1. And which is the highest? 9. So you have to make 3 tabular form. In first, that is 1 to 10 numbers are there. Then second, tally marks, and last, number of students. Okay, you have to make such a blocks and tick the marks, tick the number, and make the tally marks. Okay, then it gives us a systematic data, and then you have to answer these questions. Okay, now second question. It is also about, I think, tally marks, right? So just see. Following is the choice of sweet of 30 students in class 6. Laddu barfi, laddu jalebi, gullasgulla, jalebi, laddu barfi. Okay, fine. So can anyone can anyone tell me what we have to do here? We have to make the tabular form. First, in the first column, we have to write the names of sweets. In the second, there is tally marks. Okay, and the next is number of students. Okay, and by systematically representing it, you can get the organized data. Get it? Okay, fine. Now we will see the fourth one. Fine. The one tractor represent one picture of tractor represent one tractor. So we will calculate the number of tractors, right? And then we will answer these questions. Get it? Next thing. Okay, I have taken the seventh one. Okay, I have done it purposely because one basket represents 100 foods. So we have to show here with the help of this basket, and if we make the half one, it is means 50 baskets. Okay, so then we have to calculate the basket, and by multiplying 100 we get the fruits, right? So these are the representation of pictograph here. So calculate the data, and then you have to represent, you have to answer these questions. Okay, this is all about the pictograph. Now next thing about drawing pictograph. So I think we have completed this one also, right? Na? So till now we study about the pictograph. How with the help of pictograph we organize data and answer the questions. In the next topic, that is drawing pictograph, what we have to do? We have given the data, and according to that data we have to represent it in the pictograph. So for that we have to decide certain symbol or certain picture. Which picture represent a certain, we have to decide it, that one picture represent 1, 4, 10, 5, 100, whatever it may be. Okay, so this picture should be systematic. That means if one part is not there, it means one less. Two parts are not there, that is two less. Okay, three parts are not there, then three less. Four parts are not there, four less, right? So it depends upon your picture drawn here, because the pictograph present exact number of data here. Okay, now see here, we have given here that one full picture represent I think it